Everybody, Iceman 50. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. So I decided to start working on the Iron Man arc reactor again here. You know, everybody's asleep and relaxed, and so we're gonna make a video. I added some. You can see here. I added some tape to my my desk here. You can see that. At least I figure out where I need to be. There we go. As long as I know that, the camera's in position and I'm within these the sides here, right? You can see that I'm good. So earlier, as I was editing my episode 5, we should probably get the microphone. Hang on a second here. Oh, God. Wow. Okay. Alright, so we got our microphone here. Plug that in. We'll plug our... Oh, this is weird. See, this is backwards from the way I had it set up before. Yeah, let's see if we can turn this around. I was kind of confused by this. I think it should be like this. That's my hand. Okay. All right. So let's try this. Okay. So I got some boundaries here. Let's get this mic plugged in the right way. It's supposed to be. Turn this. Okay. All right. So now I got my little directional mic plugged in here. Yeah. So it at least gives me, at least I have a visual representation on the screen here of going around where I need to be. Oh, man. I feel like I dropped some pieces. Oh, goodness. Alright, so we got all of these. I pulled all the... Obviously, I told you guys, this stuff takes the longest to do. So we got all these pieces. I pulled the paper off of them. Let's get out our destructions again. And some of our other pieces here. We'll set those over there. Empty bags. I'm saving those. Here we got some screws. This ring. And some more empty bags. More empty bags. And... oh, there's more of those pieces. Another ring. And a spacer. And some of this stuff here. You can see. Alright, I'll throw that over there. Alright, we got this bag of junk left. We'll throw that over there. Alright. So yeah, where'd it go? Yeah, here. You can see this is what we did kind of last time. So I'm just gonna follow along. I took all the paper off of these, so we can just move along here. So we're just gonna plug them in. So it's short, long, short, long, short, long. You get the idea. So yeah, I hope everybody had a. Let me get this in front of you here. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. I did. I got some good stuff. Here, put this down here. I got a 2015 Dodge Challenger Shaker Edition, which is a RT Plus. Obviously the Hemi. My wife got me these. These are the Now my car's red and black. It's all red inside. I got red lights. So she got me. I must have mentioned them at some point here, but she got me these red pieces here. These go on the here you can see there's 3 different sizes. These go over the climate controls, the volume, all that stuff. So she knows I like this. This isn't too much. I try not to add too much, like the fake 3 Buick sticky things to your car, but this is actually kind of cool. I was looking at these a while ago on eBay, and I'm sure she saw me looking at them or something, so that's pretty cool. It says Ford Challenger, red aluminum 3-piece, made in China. Anyways, so yeah, at a later video, I'll make a video on that when we put these in. Those are pretty cool. I got some pajamas and stuff, pretty standard Christmas fare. Okay. So let's, he's in here. I just was watching Ben Heck again. I keep bringing him up. He's made a crazy little Space Invaders game on AT Tiny 10, I think. He's really banging bits there, and counting every byte. So that was pretty interesting. I don't know. We'll see how. I mean, he's pretty much done with it. It's interesting, but So yeah, had a little bit to drink already. It is Christmas, so tossed one up to the old man. Here we go. Nostrovia, old man. You're missed. You've been gone since 2009. But, life moves on, right? Hang on a sec. Yeah. So, we talked about the old man. Let's get back to making this. Oh, God. You really gotta, this is kind of like the delicate part of this. Everything snapping in and holding its place, and it feels like this one's not wanting to snap in. It looks a little funky. We'll move over to this side. See, that makes a difference. I'm sure you guys can hear my daughter in the background. Got her a new Razer Huntsman Mini keyboard. The optical switches and all that, blah, 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 blah. All the good stuff. Anyways, it was a pretty good Christmas. So I think everybody got what they wanted, and it was all good. So I hope you guys had a good Christmas. It was pretty good, pretty lazy day. I don't got to go back to work until January 4th. So that's good. But it's been pretty slow. For those of you that don't know, I work at Fermilab here in Batavia. I only live 4 miles away. So my car has very low miles. I think I got 39,900 miles on my 2015 RT Plus Hemi shaker, and I got some videos on that. You guys might want to check it out if you like cars. It's my baby. I like it. Definitely supercharging in its future here. I already know what I want. I'm kind of limited in options because it is the shaker model. I have to I can't do a roots type blower. I got to do a centrifugal type blower, and it's got to be off to the side or whatever, because my my shaker's in the way, you know, the engine's, you know, here, and, you know, the shaker is right on top, so it can't have, you know, a roots type blower on it. It's got to be, you know, off on the side here, and you know, a couple years I'll have that paid off, and then it's time to have some fun. But in the meantime, I've been doing some upgrades here and there, you know, lighting, stuff like that. I added some pretty nice, I got a red interior, so that's why my wife bought me the red aluminum knobs. Those will go over, you know, some of the interior knobs. It's pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys like cars, you should check out some of my other upgrades that I did. Reactor 2019. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm to the point where we, you know, put this all together, blah, blah, blah. According to the purchased version, refer to the corresponding manufacturing specification. My God. Oh, so there's, here, look, elastic, not a metal ring, and it goes into the middle here. So that's, I think that's this here. There's two of them. There's that one and that one. So it's one of these two, but I also have this this here. Where did I put that? There it is. Hey, see, it's right here. Okay, so it's showing. Put this together. I don't know which one it is. I feel like this one, since it's down here. It's push it on. Oh, that's beautiful. It just kind of sits there. It's not doing much, but we got a basket. Like I said, this was gonna go much faster once I pulled all the paper and everything off of here. So, okay, so yeah, now it shows, you know, this piece with here. Okay, fine. I added this on already, which is this piece here. It's funny, you know, it just shows you all around or whatever, but it shows putting, you know, this piece in this piece, and with the wire coming out, so that should be G. So let's get to G, you know, shouldn't be too complicated here. You know, what's funny, though, is that this is on the, you know, bottom side, but again, you know, we'll put that in here in a second. I think, you know, we'll just drop this in here. Kind of silly. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now, see, you know, there is this notch here. I don't know if that matters at this point. Maybe not, but anyways, we've got our rings here. Let's put our piece on here. I feel like, oh, you know what? It looks like there's some. Of course, there is. Let's get our. There's some shit on this too here. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's get this on here. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I had a very good Christmas. Ooh, I felt that. I was pushing on this side. I gotta be careful. You know, I put this this piece on first here, but I don't know if there's going to be an issue here. So let's see if we can get this off. I don't know if anybody, you guys watch Star Trek Discovery, but I'm up to the latest episode, season 3, episode 11, I think. And it's getting pretty good. Orion Syndicate commandeered the Discovery with Tilly in charge, so